Further inspecting the cylinders here, you can see in the bore that this thing has some scoring on this cylinder on both sides. Same with this one. It's got some scoring going on. Now also it does have ring ridge. If I take my finger and I run it across the top of this bore, you can feel the ridge in the bore itself. So I know this engine's got some miles on it. So same thing with all these other cylinders, same kind of deal going on. If you had no budget and you could do whatever you want to this engine, how would you build it? Let me know in the comments.